The discussions and narratives around possibilities in China have certainly broadened our horizons and deepened our understanding of this dynamic nation. It's heartwarming to hear all the personal narratives just now that connected our international panelists to China. But our journey doesn't end here. We're now moving into a special segment where we will be officially appointing a team of steering hub directors for the Future Close-Up program. We are thrilled to have 5 global youth stepping into this role. It is an honor to have them to be a part of this international network that we are building together. 请大家看一下大屏幕. And the hub directors are Igor for Europe, Brad for Africa, Philippe for the Americas, and Yuting and Gibran for Asia. Congratulations and please come onto the stage. Congratulations. And for the appointing ceremony, I would like to invite Madame Ni Yafang, President of CICG Center for the Americas, Mr. Zhang Jun, General Manager of Marketing and PR Department of Tencent, Professor An Fengshan, Vice Dean of School of Government and Public Affairs at Communication University of China to join us on stage. So in the meanwhile, let me tell you what is happening and what will happen. Our expert, our guests, and our co-organizers are bestowing their stamp of approval on our inaugural hub directors. This act is more than symbolic. It's a testament to their transformative journey exploring China's thriving tech industry and experience that has left indelible marks on their hearts. The stamp they each receive is engraved, a symbol of their deepened commitment to continue this exploration, and over the upcoming year, they pledge to be creative, to foster proactive collaborations, and further imprint the spirit of Future Close-Up onto more hearts and minds in their respective regions. And of course, this is not just a ceremony, but to uphold the integrity of Future Close-Up, we are entrusting these hub directors that you have just saw with the vision of values for users and tech for good, knowing that they will amplify it in their corners of the world. As we draw closer to the conclusion of our Future Close-Up experience, we pause to reflect, to remember, and to celebrate. Our journey thus far has been one filled with discovery, collaboration, and shared aspirations. To encapsulate these treasured moments and indomitable spirits of this initiative, we have prepared a very special short film. As the lights dim and the screen flicker to life, we invite you to sit back, immerse yourself in this journey we have embarked upon. Enjoy. 请大 kaleidoscope of emotions, an array of faces, a flurry of interactions, and a testament to countless hours of passion-filled work that got us here. It's a tribute to all of you, the pioneers, the dreamers, and the doers, who have been a part of the Future Close-Up project. Every frame you just saw just now is a reminder of the spirit of this community, of the drive and of the resilience we have fostered throughout this initiative. But this isn't the final act. It's affirmation of our ongoing commitment to collaborate, innovate, and strive unceasingly towards a future of infinite possibilities. As the echoes of our shared experience reverberate and the inspiration of our collective journey imbues us with renewed vigor, let's remember, we're working together for good. This isn't just a mantra, it is our binding promise. As we near the finale for the one last time, please welcome on stage with huge applauses and excitement the inaugural cohort of the Future Close-Up program for a group photo. Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, 我还没结束呢，大家好像现在结束了。好的。So I'm just going to wrap up very, very quickly. Thank you so much on behalf of the co-organizer, China International Communication Group and Tencent. I would like to thank everyone for being part of this journey. Until next time, be kind to each other. Let's keep the future in close-up. Goodbye. And remember to return your simultaneous interpreter devices when you exit the auditorium. Thank you so much. 当你离开时候，请将你的同传的仪器归还给那个出口处。谢谢，谢谢。